So guys, in this video, I will show you what is a lambda function in Python. So basically, lambda function is anonymous function, meaning that it has no name. So this function is without any name, and this syntax is very similar, like the function we create, but it's so simpler also. For example, I want to create a lambda function. Okay, I will write the word lambda. Then, for example, I want to declare one parameter x, and I want to do some logic that is x into x, and I want to return it. I don't need to write the return statement. Now what I will do print test. Now I will simply pass the value. Maybe I want to do this 10 into 10. Now let me compile it. I got the output 100. For example, I want to do 16 into 16. So it will return me 256. So this is so simple. In one line, you wrote your function. How cool it is. What if I want to pass two arguments? As of now, I just passed one parameter x. What if I want to pass two parameters? How can I do this? For example, I have comma y. So these are the two parameters in my function. So what I will do, maybe I will say I want to do addition x plus y, and now I will, so if there are two parameters, meaning that I have to pass two arguments, so I will give maybe 80 and 90. Let me run this. I got 170. So this is how you can work with single argument or multiple arguments in lambda function. Maybe I want to create a z here also. Then let's see with 100 also, but I also have to declare it here. Let me compile this. Look, I got 270 back. How cool is this? Just with one line, you declare your function and you're using it. So lambda function are really useful. So guys, I hope you like this lecture. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.